The second full day of camping at White Spar Campground in the Prescott National Forest. I bought my buck 684 bargain fixed blade and my favorite carryout here is the Buck 112 Slim Select. It's coming really handy. And then, of course, the Victorinox Tinkers help out. And the pocket carry is very practical, been comfortable. I've got a video coming up showing this knife in service cutting steak. It's pretty cool. I might try a wood feature with it later on, another video with that. But for everyday use, the 112 Slim Select Ranger is coming really cool out here. But upcoming, we have brunch and the Buck 684 tutorial. Cooking beef rib for breakfast. I've been highlighting some of this cooking. I try to go rare. I'm mountain cooking, so I'm going maybe 8 minutes max on this particular steak. I did my scrambled eggs earlier. They're holding the heat pretty good with the clear cover, and it keeps the big flies off. I've got my fork, but what I've been using for my camp cooking and eating is my Buck 684 Economy fixed blade. It's a nice knife. I'll show more of this in a few minutes, what's going on with it. I had coffee earlier. Don't get too buzzed up for the day. I've been trying to go the 16-hour intermittent fasting, so quit eating it by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock the night before, and don't have a first meal, real meal, until 10 a.m., after 10 a.m. I'll see how that goes on my camp ritual. I have a few more things to show you here in a minute. As I mentioned earlier, I've been cooking my steaks on the rare side, but I like the grilled look that my Coleman InstaStart electronic ignition stove yields. The burners are great. This is what I do with coffee and boiled water in the morning. I've had this about 4 years now, maybe 5. I use my summer seasons with it, so I get about 3-4 months a year out of this unit with the small canisters and being out in the wilderness. It's a great little stove. The burners are pretty, they dial in pretty good with the temperature gauges. They're a little fussy. You can go over hot and then light your steak on fire pretty fast if you're not careful. And I have to, if I want to moderate that burner, I have to put the wedged paper in there to kind of lock it into a position, or it'll wander on me. So another couple of minutes here and I'll show you what I've cooked up for myself. So this is it. Steak and scrambled eggs, yogurt, blueberries for breakfast. Have a little water. Hoping you're all doing well this morning. Hanging in there. Steak as rare as I like it. Real good. God bless you all and have a great day. And bon appetit.